So after leaving Nug Nug for the night, we've headed into Bright. Grabbed some pulled brisket nachos and a paddle of beer each. Now the belly's full, we're off to see some waterfalls. Off to check out Ladies Bath Falls and Eurobin Falls. This is lower Eurobin Falls. You see a bit dry at the moment, but geez, just in a pump. That is freaking massive. So when you think you're going to Lady Bath Falls, this isn't it. So after a cruisy walk around the falls, heading off to Eddy Cutting for the night and found this place along the way. Booked out to ourselves. Beer. No wind. Chill time. So a few hundred metres just before Eddy Cutting, you've got this little spot here. You've got the bridge over there, which is the giveaway of the spot. See, no one here. Eddy Cutting's got quite a few big groups in there. School holidays and all. It's we camped on the other side of the road, which is fine also. So let's just check this spot out. Pretty easy river access. So there we go. There's absolutely no one at the campsite. Good little swimming holes here. Fishing holes. There's a heads up. When you resubscribe to KO just to watch this.
COVID game, did you say?
Absolutely.
Yep. So, big shot
Go
here
to
coming
Sainers.
up for Mitch Owens. They lead it by 17.
Best part of this is set shot. You can take up a full 30, which hurts Port Adelaide.
Continue on Paradise Falls Road for 2 kilometres.
So there's about 8 kilometres of this type of gravel road leading to the falls. So we just pulled into the car park here at Paradise Falls. Not a really big car park. There's a drop toilet over there. And we've got a bit of a picnic area down here. A couple of fire pits to hang your pots off and have a bit of a cook up. And then we're down to the Falls Walk, which is 500 metres and 30 minutes apparently. So let's go check that out. Got a bit of info here. So we'll have a quick read of that before we head down. So we've pulled up on a Monday. It's the first week of school holidays in April. And there's no one here. Whitfield Caravan Park, which is probably 10 k's away. That's chockers. But we picked another good day for it. It's overcast. It's about 12 or 13 degrees now. So good for walking. And off we go. The valley views through here are unreal. Keep making our way down. Heaps of bull ants. The views across there are magnificent as well. It's a bit hazy today because of the back burning through the valley. So probably about 150 odd metres down the track now, and it opens up to this. Hopefully the video shows it. But this is beautiful. So what we thought we heard was water. It was obviously a breeze, because there isn't any water. So the river's bone dry. As you can see here, that's a long way up. So this would be super impressive. So this is from the other end of the staircase. Looking back. And all of the wall that's above me now is made up of this. So it's just small river rocks and mud. Like that, all the way along. So all in all, it was a pretty easy walk down. The stairs, little steps don't bother you.
Just get a bit paranoid.
So the tracks are really well formed, the steps are really good. It's obviously really dry, so it'd be a different story through winter and maybe spring. But we're definitely going to come back and have a look at it in full flight. Thing to note also is that 4G reception's really good here. So I did not expect that. Plenty of these little fellas around, so don't stand in one spot for too long, you'll get carried away. Looking forward to seeing it like this next time. Till then, travel safe and we'll see us out there.